fixing to get with it right there. Gonna use that on this. And all the way up there too. All the way up there. We don't know if we're gonna do this side or not. We may have to do that. We're gonna do this too. On a beautiful day to do it. Hot, 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 hot. It's hot out. We're gonna get with it. Little how-to. I don't know. You're gonna have to get this. Get you one of these pressure washers. Pretty straightforward how to set it up, how to hook up. Water, put your soap in there, plug it in, and get with it. So I ain't gonna go through all that on how to connect it, because I gotta get going. Got a gig tonight too to play, so we'll do this first, get all wet and sweaty later.